So good morning everyone. I am Atish as a mountain expert and at Trek Up India, and today I am with another video for you. We are going for the Brahmatal trek, and currently here I am at Rishikesh Nataraj Chowk, and this Rishikesh is surrounded by the Shivalik ranges, and it's a very beautiful morning today. Currently the timing is 7 a.m. in the morning, and we are going for Brahmatal trek, and it's a winter trek. Basically, this Brahmatal trek lies in the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand, Himalayas. And from Rishikesh to Lohajang, today we are going for the Lohajang. It's going to take us around 250 kilometers. It will be a drive, and this is the pickup location of the Trek Up India from the Nataraj Chowk. And this traveler is available here, so we will just board the vehicle, and other trekkers are also coming to board this. And from in between we'll be coming across two Prayag. One is first one is the Devrayag, another one is going to be the Rudraprayag, and the third one, three Prayags are there, and the third one is going to be the Karnaprayag. So from Karnaprayag we will just move towards the Pindar Valley. So it's going to be very beautiful scenic views we are going to get today, and being a winter trek, we will get very good snow in the Brahmatal trek. About the overview of this trek lies at an altitude of 12,250 feet, and we will get the Brahmatal lake is there, and also we will come across the Bekal Tal. So two lakes are there, two alpine lakes are there. So this is the best thing in this trek. And further going more about the Brahmatal trek is that, like, from there we are going to get the Mount Trishul, mesmerizing view of the Mount Trishul we are going to get from there, Chowkhamba peak. So all these are the peaks which we are going to see from there, and rest we will be covering in between. So now let's board the vehicle. So after a drive of 70 kilometers, we have reached this place called Devrayag. This place, Devrayag, is famous for the confluence of two rivers, the Alaknanda and the Bhagirathi. The dark water is of Alaknanda. The origin of this Alaknanda is Satopan Lake, while the greenish water is of river Bhagirathi, whose origin is Gaumukh Glacier. And here at this place we have a famous temple called Raghunath Temple, dedicated to Lord Ram. And now the further journey we will be reaching Lohajang by evening, and आपको वहीं पे हम दिखाएंगे that how the further our journey. Just crossed the Karnaprayag, and currently we are at the Pindar Valley, and here our vehicle stopped for a short refreshment. So from here it's going to be around 70 kilometers more from here, and it will take us around because it's going to be a steep ascent. So it's a totally hilly drive, so it's going to take us around 2 hours from here in order to reach the Lohajang. And this valley is the Pindar Valley. This valley is known as the Pindar Valley, and our vehicle will be moving across this river, Pindar River. In the Karnaprayag, we had seen the confluence of the two rivers. One was Alaknanda, and another one is the Pindar. This Pindar River origin is the Pindari Glacier. Hence it is called as the Pindar River. So now let's move further ahead. So finally आज का जो डे है लोहाजंग का, हम लोहाजंग पहुंच गए. So 10 घंटे की ड्राइव रही हमारी, और टेम्परेचर बाहर है 8 डिग्री सेल्सियस. काफ़ी अच्छा है, जर्नी काफ़ी सही रही, ज़्यादा कुछ हेक्टिक नहीं था, ट्रैफिक भी नहीं थे. और जो यहाँ पे एटीएम रहता है, हमें जो नियरेस्ट एटीएम जो यहाँ पे हम लोग को मिलता है वो रहता है हमारा देवाल में. तो देवाल लास्ट पॉइंट, अगर कोई अपना कैश निकालना चाहते हैं एटीएम से तो देवाल से निकाल सकते हैं.
यहाँ पे कोई भी ATM फैसिलिटी नहीं है, छोटा मार्केट है यहाँ पे। बाकी यहाँ की स्टोरी हम आपको गेस्ट हाउस की तरफ जा रहे हैं, ट्रैक अप इंडिया का जो गेस्ट हाउस है। सो यू कैन सी द स्नो कैप माउंटेन्स। सो ओवर देयर इट्स अ नंदा घुंटी पीक, जिसका एल्टीट्यूड है 6309 मीटर्स एल्टीट्यूड है नंदा घुंटी का। लोहाजंग से बहुत अच्छा व्यू दिखता है नंदा घुंटी का। मेरे फ्रंट में इधर हमारा ब्रह्मताल पड़ेगा, तो यहाँ से ट्रैक स्टार्ट होता है मार्केट से ही ब्रह्मताल के लिए। और यहीं से जब हम आगे जाते हैं, आपने मेरे कुछ वीडियोस देखे होंगे जिसमें मैंने अली बेदनी बुग्याल भी कवर किया था। तो यहाँ से हमने कूलिंग के लिए यहाँ से अराउंड ड्राइव रहती है 5 किलोमीटर की, फिर वहाँ से हमारा ट्रैक स्टार्ट रहता है अली बेदनी बुग्याल का। तो अली बुग्याल में भी काफ़ी अच्छी स्नो है अभी करेंटली, बट अली बुग्याल जो है इट्स नॉट अ विंटर ट्रैक। विंटर्स में लोग ज़्यादातर यहाँ पे ब्रह्मताल करते हैं, तो काफ़ी ट्रैकर्स आ रखे हैं। तो अब हम भी चलते हैं गेस्ट हाउस की तरफ।
गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीवन। पराठे खाए सबने? ब्रेकफास्ट किया अच्छे से?
Good morning everyone. So today is the day second of our Brahmatal trek, and you can see here I am at the Lohajang, and it was a very pleasant morning today. It's snow covered peaks you can see around me, and currently our track leaders, Track Up India track leaders, they are doing the briefing session of today. They are just giving the detailed idea that how it's going to be, how the trail is going to be, how to layer up yourself, because it's very essential to layer in a proper manner. So all these instructions has been told to all the trackers in this briefing session by our track leaders. And about the safety also, see, Track Up India don't compromise with the safety standards as well. So they are just telling them that how to walk in the snow, which side of the trail you should walk, while if any mules are coming across the trail, and how to walk in a proper manner in the mountains. So all these instruction is being taught by the track leaders to our trackers who have joined this, and also they have been taught about the how to pack the backpack and all these things. So it's very good that all these things is being told to all the track leaders in this briefing session. So now further details I will cover in the further ahead. So let's join the briefing session. So today is the day second of our Brahmatal trek, and as you know that yesterday snowfall took place here, and you can see such a mesmerizing views of Mount Nanda Ghunti, and these are the snow covered Himalayan peaks of the Lohajang is totally covered with the snow. So it's everybody, all the trackers who were present here, they were very happy to see such a pleasant view. And so today's schedule, it's going to be like we will be today we are going to camp at the Bekal Tal, and Bekal Tal is at an altitude of 9,950 feet, and this Lohajang is at an altitude of 7,650 feet. So it's very sufficient height gain is there, and the total track kilometers that we are going to cover today, it's going to be 6 kilometer track it would be, and gradual ascent is there, and in between, like in the trail is covered with the oak, cedar trees, rhododendron trees, because generally in the spring season this trail is covered with totally with the rhododendrons keep on blooming, and you get very good views in this trail when you are trekking in during the spring season. This is Brahmatal is a winter track, so people prefer to do this track from November onward, November, December, January, February until March it goes, and generally in the Feb and in the month of March the rhododendron bloom in this trail, so they just add up a charm in this track, in this Brahmatal track, like when the rhododendron blooms. And in the morning we had a brief session by our track leaders. We did some warm-up exercises as well. We did some walk try as well, which is very essential to boost all the tracker adrenaline, so that they just pump up themselves to just be ready to reach the Brahmatal summit. And everybody is very excited. And now we will be moving ahead from the market itself. There's a trail is going toward the Brahmatal, toward the Bekal Tal today, because we are going to trek to the Bekal Tal. So from the market itself, the trail is going above. We will stop in between. We will stop for a halt, because 3-4 tea points are there in between. Small tea points are there, and also there is a one spot that is, we call it as a Begum. So from Begum we will get the very good views of the Mount Nanda Ghunti as well. So we will stop there. So now let's move. सो अभी हमने जस्ट 1 किलोमीटर ऊपर आए हैं मार्केट, लोहाजंग मार्केट से। ट्रेल काफ़ी स्नो कवर्ड है। रोडोडेंड्रॉन अभी ब्लूम नहीं कर रहे हैं, बट आफ्टर सम टाइम, लाइक आपका कुछ दिन के बाद, आपका 15-16 डेज़ के बाद रोडोडेंड्रॉन्स पूरे ट्रेल में ब्लूम करेंगे। जनरली मार्च के टाइम पे रोडोडेंड्रॉन काफ़ी अच्छे ब्लूम करते हैं, फुल स्विंग में रहते हैं। ट्रेल भी बहुत अच्छा है। नीचे हमारे मंदोली विलेज दिख रहा है, तो मंदोली विलेज लोहाजंग से नीचे ऊपर इस ट्रेल में नीचे दिख जाता है। आगे से हमें आजन टॉप भी मिलेगा। यूजली ट्रैकर्स को वहाँ पे डे हाइक के लिए ले जाया जाता है आजन टॉप पे। आगे पे हम हॉल्ट करेंगे बेगम पे, उसका स्पॉट का नाम बेगम बोलते हैं उसे, बेगम स्पॉट। वहाँ पे हम हॉल्ट करेंगे। वहाँ पे कुछ टी स्पॉट्स भी हैं। सो अभी हम 3 किलोमीटर हमने वी हैव कवर्ड ऑलमोस्ट 3 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम द लोहाजंग मार्केट। एंड इन बिटवीन यहाँ पे हमें कुछ स्मॉल टी शॉप्स भी है, टी स्टॉल हैं छोटी छोटी। सो दिस प्लेस इज कॉल्ड एज अ बेगम टॉप। एंड फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन सी दैट वन, the small plateau type, that is it's a Ajan top. So generally people go for a day hike. If you want to explore Lohajang market, you can go for a day hike to the Ajan top as well. And that one, the snow covered, the long meadows that you can see, that one is the big that one is called as a Bagji Bugyal. So that meadow is the Bagji Bugyal. And these are the some of the peaks you can see, and below it's the Mandoli village. And in front of me, this is the complete valley surrounded with oak and rhododendron trees are here, which is blooming. And this year, just because of the late snowfall, so rhododendrons are blooming very late. So otherwise, if you explore this place, this track in the month of February, you will come across rhododendron blooming in a full swing. यहाँ से रास्ता गुजरेन कैंप साइट्स के भी जाता है, बट आज हमारा जो कैंप साइट रहेगा वो दैट गोइंग टू बी अ बेकल ताल। तो यहाँ से हम सीधे स्ट्रेट जाएंगे बेकल ताल के लिए। राइट हमारा चल जाता है गुजरेन कैंप साइट पे। तो गुजरेन कैंप साइट से वहाँ से फिर फर्दर अगर कई ट्रैकर्स क्या करते हैं, वहाँ से सीधे डायरेक्ट आपको एक ट्रेल जाता है झंडी टॉप के लिए भी। बट अभी हमारा ट्रेल ऑलरेडी ओपन है, हमें ज़्यादा बेटर व्यूज़ चाहिए। तो फॉर दैट लाइक वी हैव टू गो टुवर्ड्स द बेकल ताल कैंप साइट फॉर टुडे। So now let's move towards the Bekal Tal. So finally we have reached our Bekaltal campsite of day 2 of the Brahmatal trek, and this is at an altitude of around 9,950 feet. This is not a Bekaltal. Actually Bekaltal यहाँ से जो है थोड़ा सा हमें फॉरेस्ट के अंदर है, तो यहाँ से हार्डली हमारा 100 मीटर्स हम अंदर जाएंगे. वहाँ पे हमारा काफ़ी बड़ी लेक है बेकलताल, तो वो भी हम अभी कवर करेंगे. बट अभी हम चलते हैं अपने कैंप साइट की तरफ. तो यहाँ पे कैंपिंग एरिया है, ये यहाँ पे काफ़ी कैंप्स रहते हैं यहाँ पे. तो अब हम कैंप साइट, चलो लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स द कैंप साइट. So just 100 meter above our Bekaltal campsite, we have reached this spot. This is the actual Bekaltal lake, and you can see the water. Actually it's a brown lake because of the oak tree. This lake is surrounded by the oak trees, rhododendron trees, and this lake seems totally brown in color if you will come to Brahmatal in summers. And this water, it's a naturally like the water is coming here from the ground itself. So underground water is coming. There is nothing as such that from somewhere the river is coming. So naturally water is coming from the inside, from the ground itself. And from here it is believed that the water goes to the Rath Gaon as well. Just nearby the Rath Gaon is here. So the water grows from here to the Rath Gaon as well. And this is the lake. See, such a beautiful lake it is. And just over there there is one temple as well. So that temple is dedicated to Bekal Devta, or you can call it as a Nag Devta. So this place, it is believed that this place is totally protected by the Nag Devta. So we will just go to that temple as well, and we will just you can see the glimpse of this Bekaltal lake as well, that how good is it. And behind me it's a small temple. So this temple is dedicated to the Bekal Nag Devta. So it is believed that this place, this complete region is being protected by the Nag Devta itself. And the water in this lake is a naturally it's coming from the underground water. It's coming from the ground itself. And this water remain around there in the complete, even in the summers also. You will see this lake water doesn't get dried up. Water remains around there completely, and in the summers it remains totally brown, and while in the winters this lake get frozen as well. So let's go ahead. Just beside the lake, the temple is also there where we have visited, and this is the lake. It's very scenic here, very soothing. I can hear the sound of birds also from this. So in this forest area, because this forest also comes under the Nanda Devi National Park. So in this forest we can see the birds such as the monal, and also various Himalayan birds also we can see. So maybe hope we also get an opportunity to see the Himalayan monal as well, which everyone prefer to get the admire of the Himalayan monal. It's a very beautiful bird. Also it's a national bird of state bird of Uttarakhand as well. And also talking about some other wild animals that are present here in this forest is the wild bear and the boar as well. These are the most frequently you can see in this forest as well. And about the altitude, so altitude of this lake is at an altitude of 9,950 feet altitude. From Lohajang we have started. So Lohajang was at an altitude of approx 7,760 feet, and now currently we are at an altitude of 9,950 feet, which is very sufficient. And we have done the standard height gain we have done today. So tomorrow we'll be going ahead to our next campsite, to the Brahmatal lake campsite, and we'll get a very good views of the Mount Trishul, Nanda Ghunti. So most of the Himalayan peaks around, we will get a 180-degree views of the Himalayan peaks from there. So all the trekkers who are there along with us, they are also very much excited that they get such a very pleasant view. It was very pleasant morning. Sky was clear, and now tomorrow we will again move ahead to our next campsite. So you can see in the further videos. That's it for today, and tomorrow we'll be heading towards the Brahmatal lake. So Gators is all set, and here's my trek pole. So very good morning everyone from the mountains. As you know that yesterday we reached this Bekaltal campsite, and today we are going for the Brahmatal lake campsite. So how it's going to be, like from here it's going to be steep ascent till we reach the Telandi meadow. So right now we are at the tree line. Okay, then after covering a trek of around 1.5 kilometers, it's going to be steep ascent. Then after that we will be above the tree line. We'll be in the meadow section at the Tilandi, and from there we are going to get the very mesmerizing views of the Mount Nanda Ghunti, Trishul peaks, and also we can see from there the Ali Bedni Bugyal as well. We can see the view of the Ali Bedni, because Ali Bedni Bugyal is totally opposite to this track. Okay, so all these things we are going to cover today. And altitude wise, so today's altitude is going to be 10,000, approx 10,600 feet altitude is going to be today. And weather, about the weather, it's bit, sky is forecast, so but we are hoping that before that, like if snowfall took place, before that we will be reaching our campsite. This is what we are expecting. We have packed our lunch in the morning. We did some warm-up exercises. Our Trek Up India track leader, we gather all the trekkers who were present here. We just gather here. We did some warm-up exercises. We did some war cry as well to boost our adrenaline. Now everybody is all set, and now we'll be moving to the next campsite. And in between, we'll be covering major points as well in this video. So finally we have reached this Tilandi meadow. Now we have reached above the tree line. We are totally above the tree line, and you can see this openness here. So starting with my left, so this is the Gadwal. Basically this is the Gadwal region. This is also known as Soul Valley. This is the Soul Valley, you can see. And towards my right you can see these are some of the most gigantic peaks above 6,000 meters. So okay, so I will just tell you, extreme right. You can see this. It's covered with the cloud has already covered that peak. So you can see it's a Nanda Ghunti over there. Then after Nanda Ghunti, there is a Bithar Toli. Then Bithar Toli, you can see Mount Trishul, Trishuli 1 and Trishuli 2, and these are the some other small peaks as well. And also the most important, as you have seen in my previous videos of the Ali Bedni Bugyal, so even you can see the glimpse of the Ali Bugyal as well. If you have not seen the Ali Bugyal videos, please see that video as well. We have covered the Ali Bugyal. So that one, that smaller section, that complete ridge line, as you can see, which is completely snow covered above the tree line, just above the tree line, just see that section. That one is a Ali Bugyal. So Ali Bugyal track was also one of the most beautiful track to go for if you are planning in summer. So it's very good to do in the pre-monsoon, also in the post-monsoon you can do Ali Bugyal. And another thing about the Ali Bugyal is that, like, flowers also blooms a lot in the Ali Bugyal. So currently I am at the Tilandi top of Brahmatal trek, and from the base, from the Bekaltal, we have started from the Bekaltal. It was around 1.5 kilometers steep ascent. it was there till the Tilandi Bugyal. And from here we will be going to the Jhandi top. It's going to be a gradual ascent. So that one right over there, you can see, if you can see, that flag is also there. So that is the Jhandi top. So we will be just reaching the Jhandi top, and after reaching the Jhandi top, it's going to be a steep descent towards the Brahmatal lake. So there it's going to be Brahmatal, and today we will be staying there at the Brahmatal campsite. So just look at the view, that how good it is, how scenic is it from the Tilandi campsite as well. Just see, we are totally above the tree line. The trees are just below us. Now we'll be trekking above the tree line. So finally we have reached the Jhandi top. So we can see very mesmerizing views, and here is a temple, and Trishul also is here, and this temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and Parvati, because just behind this Trishul, you can see, actually the Trishul peak is there behind this. And starting from the right, you can see the Ronti is there at an altitude of 6,600 meters, and then you can see Nanda Ghunti 6,300 meters, and after that is the Bithar Toli 6,300 meters approx, and then it's the Trishuli 7,100 meters approx, then Trishuli 1 and Trishuli 2, and then it's a Mrigdhuni, and then afterwards and more towards my left is the Maktoli, Tharkot and Banoti peaks, and over there you can see the Ali Bugyal as well. Ali Bugyal is, we can see from here, and over there is the Roopkund as well. So these are the peaks we can see from the Jhandi top, and this is at an altitude of 11,100 feet altitude. And from here you can see the valley towards my right is basically it's a Garhwal valley, and towards this valley is toward the Kumaon region. Generally it's a Kumaon region, and that one is the Garhwal region. So here we will stop for a while, and thoda mandir mein we will just go overhead. So we are just hardly 100 meters away from our campsite, the Brahmatal Lake campsite, and that you can see that tree. So over there is a Brahmatal Lake as well. So what we have decided, first we will go to the Brahmatal Lake, so that you can get the better views of the lake as well in this video, because it's already 3. So first we will cover the Brahmatal Lake, we will go there, and then after that we will go to our campsite. And tomorrow we will be going to the summit. We are going to summit the Brahmatal top as well. So abhi we will just move to the Brahmatal. So finally we have reached Brahmatal Lake. The lake is totally frozen, and you can see behind me this lake stands at an altitude of 10,450 feet altitude. These are some of the forest over here. These are oak trees, and importance about this lake is that this lake is Lord Brahma meditate here in this place, and this lake was created by him, by the Lord Brahma. So this is the historical importance about this lake, and it's totally frozen. In winters it remains completely frozen. So it's such an amazing view from here, and tomorrow we'll be going for the summit, because the summit is also right at the top of this lake. Over there is the summit. So this was about the Brahmatal lake, and now we'll be going to our campsite. Our campsite is just hardly 100 meters far from here. So let's go towards our campsite. So finally we have reached our Brahmatal campsite of Trek Up India, and today we are going to stay here at Brahmatal lake campsite. It's very nice to stay at the Brahmatal lake campsite. Just beside here the lake is also there, and in this towards my left the tree line is there. It's covered with the tree, oak trees are here, and now we are going to have our some evening tea snacks, and then after that we are going to have a dinner, and for tomorrow we'll be going to the summit of the Brahmatal summit right at the top, and this is about for today, and tomorrow we will cover furthermore. Okay, so very good morning everyone. Today is the day 4th of our Brahmatal trek, and it's 4 a.m. in the morning, and today we are going for the summit push of the Brahmatal because everybody want to see the sunrise from there. So we'll be going to see the sunrise from the summit, and yeah, it's the sky is overcast today, and we are expecting like by the time cloud gets scattered away, and now we'll be just moving from here because it's going to be kilometer wise, it would be around 3.5 kilometers from here. It would be steep ascent till the summit, and all the trackers are very much excited. We have put on our gaiters and micro spikes as well. So this is my micro spikes, these are my gaiters. We have all set with that, and now I'll be moving ahead. We are all ready to go. Ready, now let's move. So we are just about to reach the Brahmatal summit, and it's just hardly 100 meters away from here, and now we can see the Garhwal Himalayan range as well towards my left, and towards my right it's the Kumaon Himalayas. From the summit we can see both Garhwal and the Kumaon Himalayas in a one go. We can see complete 180 degree we can get from the summit as well, and it's a bit windy here, and it was very steep ascent. It was around 75 degree ascent was here towards the summit. So now let's move ahead. So finally we have reached the Brahmatal top summit. So you can see the flag of the summit flag, and from here snowfall has also started. From here we can see complete 180 degree view of the Garhwal Himalayan peaks as well as the Kumaon Himalayan peaks. So starting from my left, actually is totally haze due to the snowfall. So we can see the Nilkant peak, Kamet peak. Then coming towards here it was the Nanda Ghunti, Trishuli 1, Trishuli 2, Dethartholi, Magtoli. All these peaks were visible from here, but due to haze it's not visible. Already its time is about 6:30 in the morning, and we have reached as per our schedule. Otherwise we could have seen the very good views of the sunrise from here, but it's totally depend upon the mother nature, and we are at the summit as well. So we are very happy to be at the summit of the Brahmatal at 12,250 feet. And now we will host our flag, and our banner photography as well we will do. And now, thank you, we will just return back to our base camp Brahmatal.
छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की जय.
So finally we have reached our Brahmatal campsite after doing the summit of the Brahmatal trek. So all the trekkers who were there with us, they were very much happy that they successfully summited the Brahmatal and summit as well. And it's 3:30 in the evening, and now all the trekkers, they are very tired now. They will be getting the evening tea, snacks they will be getting. And today we are going to stay here at this Brahmatal campsite, and then tomorrow, and it's going to be the day 5th, we will be returning back to the Loha Jung. So this was about today, and tomorrow we will return back from here to the Loha Jung. And so this was all about for today. So finally we have reached our Trek Up India base camp at Loha Jung, and it was very great experience of doing the Brahmatal trek. And it's raining here, but up in the mountain snowfall was taking place, and we were successfully able to complete the trek. And so today is the day 5th, so today we are going to stay here at the guest house, and tomorrow will be early morning we are going to do the departure from here back to Dehradun. So this is how we complete our Brahmatal trek, and we will be covering other treks as well in our further videos. So keep watching our videos of Trek Up India. Thank you very much.